Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at some more Stream API interview question. So convert a list to a map. So we will have a person object in the question and it will have attributes like name, city, age, and we need to convert it to a map with the key being city and the value being the list of person. So as you can see here, the list of person is getting converted into a map, and that is what the question is. We are converting a list to a map. So for the person object, we'll have a name, city, and age, and we will provide the setters, getters, toString method, and constructor for the same. We have that. Next, we will be providing, or we will be creating person objects. So we created a method for the same, and to this we will be adding the objects. So we have added the objects, and also we are returning a list of person. So we have all the list here. Let's just see it. So all the object is getting displayed. Okay, now we have to take person list dot stream dot collect. So collect is basically used as a container. Since we are converting the list of objects into a stream, we are basically just collecting here, and then we will be using collectors dot grouping by, because that is used whenever we need to group things. Okay, and here we have to get the key as the city, right? So what we need to do here is we need to mention the object, method reference, and get city. So we have this method already mentioned in our person object, so that's why providing getters is important. So that is why we provide the setters and getters for the same. Okay, and then we basically do a for each. Okay, so for each is for internal iteration. So we will use a k and v, and the bracket got deleted. Okay, then lambda expression, and then simply we are going to print. K plus v. Okay, so what we are doing here is we have grouped our object based on the city, okay, that is present in the person object, and then we are just doing an iteration over that map. So this code out here basically makes a map. Okay, this is already a map, and here we are just iterating through that map and printing the key and the value pair. And you see for Kolkata, this guy. Okay, let's just see with this. For Pune, we have like two people, Amit and Jatin. Okay, and Sumit is from Kolkata and Payal is from Bangalore. So Kolkata, Sumit, and the object. For Pune, we see two objects, that is Amit and Jatin, and okay, Alex was also there for Pune, so Alex is also coming under Pune, and for Bangalore we just have Payal. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.